What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mama, and I'm coming to you guys today with another video. And today, you guys, is going to be a hair tutorial. Oh my god, this is my first one, y'all. I'm so nervous. I hope this is not a fail, but we're going to see. So, you guys, for the past couple years, I have been red, and as you guys can pretty much tell, the red is all practically gone. If you guys see, if you guys saw one of my very first YouTube videos, I did the color oops video, and if any of you guys are trying to get a particular color out of your hair, go check that video out. I'll put a link down in the description box below so you guys can see that. Very good video, I must say, because my hair, the blonde actually did, I'm not saying the blonde, the red actually did come out. And I'm actually going to be showing you guys a picture now of what my hair looked like when I first got it done, when I dyed it red. So check it out. Alright, you guys, beautiful, right? Y'all know how much it costs for my hair to get like that? $360. Yes, $360. That's how much it costs for me to turn my hair bright and vibrant red. And you guys, I was so happy. I love the color, but after that whole experience, I would never dye my hair red again, because red, it fades a lot, and it fades really fast. Y'all, I had just got a blowout when I got my hair done, and my blowouts usually last me about a month. And so when I reverted my hair back, y'all, I will never forget that day. I'm washing my hair and I just see red dye just coming out in the sink. My hair was already starting to fade, and my beautician, she had told me, she was like, Mariah, you gotta wash your hair with cold water. I did all of that, and it did not stop it from fading. Every time I washed it, it came out. So it pretty much went from a vibrant red to like a wine color, and it was okay, but it wasn't worth the $360, and I would never do that again. I would dye bundles red before I dye my actual hair red. And not to mention, it's a lot to actually get it out. So you guys, today we are dyeing our hair honey blonde. Honey blonde was one of the first colors that I used when I first started dyeing my hair back when I was like 18. I used to always use it, and I'm gonna actually insert a couple pictures so you guys can see what my hair looked like when it was that color. And those particular pictures, like I say, you guys, thought was honey blonde. And that particular brand that I was using was the Dark and Lovely brand. The brand that we're going to be using today is the Cream of Nature, and this is the moisture rich hair color in honey blonde. So I was wanting to try something really new, so we're going to see how this works. So this right here, you guys, is the color chart. So this is if your hair is like a light brown. This is supposed to be like a medium brown. This is what your hair is supposed to turn out, and this is what your hair is supposed to look like if your hair is black. And this is pretty much what my hair was like when I had the Dark and Lovely. So we're gonna see what it's gonna turn out like. Like, as you guys see, the ends of my hair is like a really light brown, so my ends are probably going to be blonde. And yeah, so we gonna see, y'all. So let's see what is in this box. So in this box, it comes with the Cream of Nature Cream Developer. Comes with this. It comes with, hold on, it comes with the ammonia. This is the ammonia free Cream of Nature, the moisture rich hair color. And it comes with your after conditioner, which is step 3. And yep, so this And this, when I got this, you guys, I got this at the beauty supply store. We all know how finicky the beauty supply store is. I was kind of confused a little bit because when I was originally watching tutorials and everything, it came with like a high, an intense developer powder, and I didn't get any of that, so I don't know. So we really gonna see how this is. I'm so scared, y'all. But this is the new formula, so we gonna see. So this is the directions, and as in any box color, you have your directions, and then you have the gloves that are attached on the inside. So we're going to take these gloves out, and I'm not going to even wear those gloves because I hate these. These gloves suck. I remember these from the Dark and Lovely. Like, y'all, look at my hands. I got baby hands. Y'all see that? I can't work with this. So this, we're going to toss it. And let's read the directions. Hold on, y'all. We're going to get this together. So it says here you're supposed to part your hair into 4 equal sections. You're supposed to apply your mixture, which will be in here. Apply it 1/4 inch partings, starting at near the root but not on the scalp, all the way down. Not rubbing the mixture into the scalp. Repeat on your 3 remaining sections, and you're supposed to let it sit in for 25 minutes. 30 minutes is the max, and you're going to wash it out with water and all that good stuff. So we're going to test this bad boy out and see how it does. And so we are going to part my hair. I'm actually going to detangle it and part it into the 4 sections, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so we are back, and even though I threw those gloves away, I'm actually going to be wearing gloves this fit. I ain't retarded, y'all. I'm wearing gloves. So, put these gloves on. And for the people who want to know, I actually got 2 bottles. If you are a person that, if you're natural, you have really, really coarse hair, then you most likely will want to get 2 bottles of this and not just use 1 bottle, because you most likely are not going to have enough. And also, one thing that you guys want to take into consideration as well is if, you know, one thing that I did forget to get is, like, if you had some Vaseline or some petroleum jelly to put around your edges, which I did not get, and that helps prevent from staining, but I forgot. So we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to have to face the consequences. Okay? So let's get started, you guys. And I'm going to start off with this section. And I got 4 sections here. Put that down a little bit more. And in the back. Okay? And I have my wide tooth comb as well. So let's get started, y'all. what I'm about to do is start the back, and then when I finish the back, I'm going to let it process for 30 minutes. And when it's finished processing for 30 minutes, I'm going to come back and we're going to see what it's looking like. Okay? Okay, you guys. So it has been 30 minutes. So let's see what we're looking like. I'm really nervous, y'all. I really am. And anytime you color your hair, you're nervous. So let's see what I'm working with here. I'm actually going to grab these god awful gloves that I threw away, because what it looks like is happening is what I was afraid of, was it was going to be blotchy, like light in certain areas, like my roots, and then the ends are dark. And as you see, that's pretty much what's going on here. Like, my roots are like extremely light, and then, oh gosh, okay. So I'm like working with 3 different colors right now, as you guys see. I think I'll screw my hair up, y'all. So what I'm going to do, and it's like that all over, it's like that even in the back, Lord Jesus. Okay. So, oh my gosh, y'all, this is crazy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is like, my hair is like, see, like it's on fire, y'all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more hair color and just put on the ends. And part of me just want to wash this crap out. But I'm just going to apply this to the part that's like not processing. Like, I am not understanding why this particular part in the middle isn't really taking. I'm not understanding it at all. It's like the middle is not taking. Like, this all was turning one color, it would be awesome, but it's like it's not doing that. So I'm going to take the hair color and put here, the only in the middle. I'm not gonna focus on my roots, because obviously, as you guys see, that's going pretty well. Yeah, this is like horrible. Literally horrible. Okay. So this, I think, is going to end up being a fail. I should have left my hair alone. Alright, y'all. So at this point, I am reapplying the hair dye to my hair. For what crazy reason I thought this was gonna do something, I have no freaking idea. But this, obviously, y'all, was a complete fail, as you see, and I just wanted to, like, literally break down and cry. And actually, after this, me filming this video, I literally called my mom and my sister and literally broke down in tears crying, because, y'all, this obviously is a complete fail. My roots are blonde. The middle of my hair is brown, like a dark brown, and the bottom portion of my hair is like copper. So yeah, now you guys see. This is why you leave your hair alone. And yeah, this is just awful. Oh my god. But anyway, y'all, enough of me rambling. Let's get to the end of this video. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to put my cap back on, and I am going to let this sit for another 15 to 20 minutes and see if we can get like this portion to lighten up, because I don't know what yeah, so we're gonna do that because right now I just don't know. So I'll be back.